Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic, 66 RFE, STD, 180 AMP alternator, spray input liner, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 touchscreen display overhead console rear view day night mirror GPS antenna input temperature and compass gauge integrated voice command with Bluetooth charge only remote USB port Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121 your Sirius XM radio service. Gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, electric shift on the fly transfer case included, storage tray, anti-spin differential rear axle, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper tires, LT275/70R18 EBS